Hello, everyone. Well, we're going to have a couple rounds of rain work over northwest Indiana today and tonight, but it's really nice weather for Sunday, it looks like. So let's take a look at your updated weekend forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO. I'm starting things on the model at 11 a.m. because I think that's about the earliest we might start to see a few showers start to pop up in northwest Indiana. The better chance of rain will still be over in Illinois, though. And notice those shades of yellow and orange showing up, still indicating the possibility of thunderstorms. These were actually some pretty strong storms over in Iowa, but they're going to be weakening. This is actually activity popping up ahead of the front. They're losing their support. So this will probably be an area of weakening showers and storms that will be moving over us. Notice that this model says it's all showers at 1:30 this afternoon, which I do think the early afternoon hours are going to be our best chance at seeing mostly scattered showers. I'm still going to mention the chance for a weak storm, but certainly not worried about any severe storms. So here, this round is from roughly 11 a.m. this morning until 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we're back to completely dry conditions. Now notice with the clouds and rain that are going to be around, that's going to hold down our temperature. So at 4 o'clock this afternoon, we're looking at temperatures only in the low to mid 80s. However, the humidity back. So I do think it's going to be feeling a little bit warmer than this. We're not talking about oppressive levels of humidity, but you can call it humid again, so feeling a little bit warmer than this. Not quite as cool as the temperatures might indicate. We're not done yet, though, so we still have to get the cold front to work over us. And I do think that'll start to push in around 9 o'clock this evening. Once again, that's where we're probably going to see a better chance over around the Chicago area at 9 o'clock, but that will be when it starts to push in to northwest Indiana. And notice now we're seeing not just the shades of orange, but shades of red. And this is indicating the possibility for some stronger storms. Now, I do think the chance is small for seeing a severe storm. There are not a lot of ingredients there, but just enough that there could be a couple that overachieve as this front moves over us. As far as the peak of the activity in northwest Indiana, right now it's looking like roughly 11 o'clock midnight time frame. And notice that already starting to see a weakening trend by 11:30 when the front will be right over us. So I do think there's a slightly better chance of severe storms over towards Chicago, and the chance is smaller for northwest Indiana, but it's not zero. And the earlier the activity arrives this evening, the more likely we are to be seeing severe storms. The later, the less likely. So that's something we'll be keeping an eye on. I do think the front itself will be clear of us by 2 a.m., so that'll be the end of the severe threat. However, as we often see behind cold fronts, there will be an area of isolated showers that will try and linger. So I do think we're going to be talking about a chance for isolated showers through the overnight hours. And honestly, through the morning, I can't completely rule out a few stray showers. Now, it's not going to be much. The chance of rain Sunday morning is low. Notice that we're just talking about a few green dots, but I just want to mention it still. Chance for a few showers during the morning hours on Sunday. I do think by noon, though, that is it for the rain chance. We're going to be completely dry. And check out 4 o'clock in the afternoon Sunday. We're talking about very nice conditions. In LaPorte County and Porter County, high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Everywhere else, I do think we're going to reach the low 80s. There's not going to be a humidity dropping. I will say it is going to be breezy, though. Gusts will be around 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. So to summarize the severe threat, concerned about 9 o'clock this evening until as late as 2 a.m. tonight. What's most likely as this front works over us, scattered storms producing heavy rain and lightning, and that'll probably be it. But there is a small chance we could get a couple storms to overachieve and possibly produce up to penny-sized hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. If any watches or warnings are issued, I'll be sure to give you an update.